Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And here is going to be the second tutorial of Calculate apps. And on this video, we're going to talk about we're going to make cal calculator here. And the main function of these things is to calculate some things. We can divide some number, uh, or adding some numbers, or maybe decrease some number. Okay. So that's all that we're going to do. And I'm Gazan Sabinarto. Let's went into the video. So first thing that you're going to do is opening of Codular, of course. And second thing, get started or create apps. Because we have created apps before, and it's going to be the second part here. So we have the apps here. So that's great. Oh, not this one. Wait, is the tutorial one, right? This one. Okay. So this is going to be the apps here that we're going to continue. So the second thing that we're going to do is I will show you
So our export is RDR.
the
This the result is our
the flow chart of these apps. So every things here, it's going to have some flow charts here. So for these things,
after that
it's going to have a flow chart too.
go to player, or if you have one, I'll try to convert
So hold on a second.
and go from this
So here is the flow chart of the square. So we start as a circle, then a square here. So this is the whole chart here. So start, then first and second. So this first and second, it's going to be the first number and the second number to calculate. Then if plus, it's going to be this, minus, times, and divide.
modular.
So this is the main thing of the flow chart. If you want to stop the video and see and understand it, it's okay. I'll give you time. This all. Okay, so second things, we're just going to go to the tutorial here. So first, we're going to add some screen and name it to be calculator. Then create software create. Second thing that we're going to do is change, wait, background color. Background color to be this, the light. And navigation bar, maybe it's going to be this one. Okay, great. The second thing that we're going to do is, wait, hold on.
This promo player one. Kemudian
The second thing that we're going to do is to add some image here.
kemudian but go
We're
to
going to add some image. But first, before that, click this background and align horizontal to be center, align vertical to be center either. So the next thing that we're going to do is to set up this image. So this image we're going to change it to be a calculator.
how much MBTS.
Calculator image here. And height, we're going to change its own height to be 15 and 30 for the wall.
Yes.
So 15 for height
Set.
and 30 for wall.
One.
Then we're going to put some space there.
then rotation,
then space. I think we don't need to put some space first, but it's okay. So next we're going to put some label there. We're going to put some label under there, then change the size of it to be 30. After 30, we're going to change center here, text alignment. Then text we're going to change to it calculator. After we have changed it to be calculator, we're going to have a calculator text there. Then change to be bold here. Don't forget to change the color there.
this what even
So text color here. Oh yeah, I forget about the color hub.
let's scan back.
It's the palette that we're going to use. Maybe we're going to use this one for this thing.
That's all from my calculations apps tutorial. Yes, I thought it's the longest tutorial.
Okay, so this all here.
You guys enjoy with all of the tutorial.
And the second thing, we're going to give an image here to be calculator PNG.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Okay, so good. Next, we're going to put some space, of course, under there. Space it to be 2% here. After space, we're going to put some label. I mean text box. Put some text box here. And we're going to give some 5 on height and 80 for weight. 5 height. Hey, wait. It's going to be 5% here. It's going to be 80. 80% there. So great. The next thing that we're going to do is to just duplicate these things. And we're going to change the space here to be 5% there. I think 3 is enough. So just 3% there. Then duplicate this first text box. And change the first text box to be text box 1. And the other here to be text box 2. Okay, so done. Then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put some horizontal arrangement there.
yes, yes, yes.
But don't forget to put some space too.
Yes.
Horizontal line arrangement to be center,
Export
center.
are done. Now we're gonna download the our application. And so
And height, wait,
modular, and
height will be 15,
fly. If I have
10%, and weight will be under
so
percent there.
if I just copy this code,
Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put some curfew. We're going to put some curfew there.
This one.
And we're going to edit the curfew first. Height 10, 10% here. Weight will be 22%.
Calculation app.
Next thing we're going to make the things to be
Switch.
rounded.
Guess the internet.
Corner radius change to be 10. Okay. So perfect corner radius it will be 10 there.
Still installing.
The next thing that we're going to do, we're going to put some label. Put some label there. And make sure this is going to be center all. Then change the text there to be plus. Then enter. And make the font size bigger. Maybe 50, 60 I think. 40 is enough. So never mind, 40 is great.
This already. And now
And next thing that we're going to
we
do, we're
have
going to
this,
change this color of the curfew for the first curfew. And before that, we're going to change the name here, curfew
so
color.
this is the final result of our application.
Curfew plus there.
Yeah, now our application.
Then we're going to change the color here
And now we're gonna try to use it on this.
to be this one here. Go back to Codular.
Okay. This one.
Then background color to be that one.
Work application. Yeah.
Then set there. So that the label one. We're going to change the text color there to be the darker spot.
Population apps is done.
And for it to make it to be a bold.
Tutorial that I make.
Second thing, we're just going to duplicate this
So yeah, guys, thank you very much. I hope
and change from plus to be min.
tutorials. Thank you very much.
And for it to change the label here
Listening.
to be minus.
Assalamualaikum.
Then of course duplicate again. Change the name here from curfew min. Copy to be times. After we have done changing it, what we're going to change the label here from minus to be x or times. Great, so just duplicate again. This is going to be the last one. From curfew times copy, we're going to change it to be defined. Then label because that, so we're going to have this thing. So this defined. All thing done. So this all going to be the button. So second thing that we're going to do is we're going to put some button. It's going to be a delete button here. And next thing that we're going to do, of course we're going to change the height and width. So we're going to change, it will be 17%, 5% I mean. And width to be 70. And make sure it's rounded here. And change text box for the text here to be delayed. Make sure the font size bigger too. And bold maybe. Next we're going to change the color there. So background color to be darkest part. The last part we're going to put some result there. I'm just going to duplicate this space under here. Then make this thing higher. Maybe 5%. Next thing, we're going to type some curfew there. So we have curfew here. Then we're going to change the size of it to be 20 and 60. 20 will be the height. And 60 will be the width. Width. And make sure corner radius is there. Okay, we're going to put some stroke too. Just 5. Okay, So we're going to pick the color too there. So this what is curfew. We're going to change the background color there to be some these things. And the stroke will be the darkest color here. So as you can see, it's clean. Second thing that we're going to do, we're going to put some result or result text. So we're going to use some label here. After that, make all of them to be center. Then label text, we're going to change it, of course, to be result. So result done, we're going to make this bigger, maybe 20, and make this thing bold. Change the color. Text color is going to be white here. Maybe we don't need to make it to be bold. Next thing that we're going to do is to put some space. I'm just going to duplicate this, put under there. Then we need this label again, so just duplicate this thing. And make the last label all the really result of the calculation. The size is going to be 20. And we're going to start from 200 maybe. And make sure that's bold. And the most important thing, we're going to change the name of that things. So, uh, calculation label. Okay. So this all for the UI stuff. We're going to change the background color first. So this all for the UI stuff. And we're just going to do the tutorial. And make sure don't forget to add some decoration here. So just put it everywhere there. It's the main point inside the screen there. So we're just going to go to the block here. So we click this block and we're going to do some decoration first. So when calculator initialize, then show wait, and we're going to go to decoration. I mean here we're going to set this thing here. Then show title bar. So the function of this title bar is of course to go back to the home screen. So every time we open this thing, this UI, it's going to have some title bar. I mean back button here. If we click it, or we click that thing, so we're going to go back to the home button here. Okay. So that's the little explanation. And I'm going to make this to be scrollable. Next, we're going back to the block here. Then we're going to put some decoration here. So the first thing is set shape here. So we're going to set the shape here. The component that we're going to change, it's going to be the text box one. Scroll down and text box one. And we're going to put some background color of that. maybe background color is going to be white. So we're going to go to color here. Then this background color white. But border color, we're going to change the border color there because there's going to be no option of the color there. So we're just going to make some new color here and go back to the color palette here. They have the RGB things here. So I'm going to use this darker part. So just memorize this first. 1679393. 16793, and this 193 either. And is it going to be round? And the answer, yes, because why not? Because why not? Why I'm choosing to be rounded? Because it's cool. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is to set the paddings there. So we're going to set the padding. Call decoration, set paddings, and component. After that, we're going to put the text box one too. So duplicate here, put text box one there. And value, we're going to, from this, duplicate and change the value here to be 15. If you ask me why 15, it's a solid number, maybe. So second thing, we're just going to duplicate this too. And from text box one here, because we have done the text box one, so we're going to change it to be text box two. And this thing to call decoration set paddings text box one to be text box two. Then all done for decoration. Next thing is we're going to code the main code here. So when calculator back button here, click the calculator 2 here. Then after that, we're going to put some, wait, here we're going to put some when calculator title bar back button. Wait, title bar back button. So when title bar back button click here, the next thing that we're going to do is to close the screen there. So it's black out here. Oh, I hope it's going to be smooth. So click here and go down to close screen. What is close screen? So on control. So go to control and close screen here. That's for back button things. Back button code. Next is delete button. So where is the delete button here? This button one or delete button. So when button one or delete button click, what's going to do there is we're going to set calculator result program, or in here calculation label. Set calculation label to be text. Calculation label to be text there. And the second things, we're going to put some text there to be nothing. So 0 there. And the next thing, text box 1. Hmm. Then text box 1. Where's text box 1? Okay. Text box 1 here. Set text box 1 not background color. We're going to change this to be text and duplicate this thing to be input something here. From 0, we're going to put some input. So input something here. Why we're going to type that things? So if they not going to input something, we're going to remind them by giving these things. Button 1, button delete there. So the second code that we're going to do is we're going to put code the plus button. So what's going to happen if we click this plus button? So plus.
Just only come but the to is not only come you promote you promote that application.
Plus button. So scroll down. Cart view.
Yeah.
Wait.
Maybe you can stop the upload time, time. But if there is correction, yeah, mau nggak mau kita benerin ini.
Cart view plus.
Pakai MK.
So cart view plus here.
Bukan. Biasanya kan gitu.
So when plus button click, then we're going to do some if else things here. If then else. So we're going to put this thing. Logic. So when cart view plus click, if we're going to put this logic things, then the second things we're going to go to logic again, then put this this things, and the other things here, we're going to put it here. After that, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take some text box 1 here, text box 1, text box 1 text equal nothing, equal nothing. Then we're just going to duplicate this too. So just delete this. So text box 1 text equal nothings. So then what going to happen here to set calculator result program. So this what calculation label? Set the calculation label here. Text to be calculation result text. Calculation label text. So else. What's going to happen on else? So on else, set calculation label again, then delete this thing, then plus. On math, we're going to click this math, then put this plus here. After that, we're going to just duplicate this one part. So it will calculate if they put something on text box 1, then it will get decreased by the number, or they will calculate plus what they put on text box 2 there. So then this last thing is going to be hide keyboard. So what happened with hide keyboard here, if you are asking? So every time he's done putting text box 1 on text box 2 and they click RV plus. I mean if they click RV plus, so the keyboard will get hit by the system, of course. And the next part it's going to be minus button. So the different, it's actually don't have any different here. So from curfew plus we're going to click the curfew main Xbox One and the other thing. But the only different here from plus, we're going to change to be matte and matte to be these things. And delete this thing and drag this one here. So that's all for the curfew minus. And the divide button is going to be the same. Times button 2. So from minus, we're going to change it to be times. And matte again, we're going to put this. These two, it's going to be the same things. And delete, put it here. And the last thing is this thing. Wait, divide. We're going to take the divide first. Then duplicate this one. Put it under here. From curfew times to be curfew diff. And put the things there. Put this text box 1 here. And text box 2 there. So done for all the code here. Yes, if you want to check again, you can pause at any moment you want to see exactly what is the code there. Okay, good. So the last thing that we're going to do is to review the stuff. So how do we how we are going to review these things? The only thing that can be done to review this thing is by using some wait by using some things there. Hold on a second. I'm going to prepare all the things first. So here, we're going to have some Codeler companion here. It's the apps if you want to use it. Then we're going to click this. Then connect via companion. And remember the code there. HEY if I'm not wrong. Yes. So just publish the things. And here it's going to wait a few moments to connect this to the Codular companions. As you can see there, it's going to waiting. Maybe it's going to be around 1 minute or two. It's depending on your connection. So we're going to wait a few seconds here. And by the way, I'm going to review the calculator too. I mean the home screen, because on the last video it's kind of error there, so I'm just going to review here. So 20% there. We're going to wait a few seconds again. Hold on a second. Wait a few minutes here. It's still trying to connecting. Wait, wait. I hope there's not going to be any error here. I hope it's going to be perfect. I hope and nothing perfect in this world. So I hope it's just going to run well. But waiting first. 20% connecting. If it's not going to work, maybe we'll just try to do it next time. Okay, so because it's not going to work, what time is it? 9 o'clock, 9 past 7 here. So if until 9 past 10 is not going to have any progress here, we're just going to review that things later on, maybe because we're going to have 9 part there, so we have a big chance to reviewing because now the internet is sucks, so we're just going to review later. No, network error. So this is bad. And maybe that's all about this screen. You can read it by yourself. And hope you guys enjoy. And it's the second part of 9 part. So thank you guys for watching. Hanggang sa Sabrina to. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So thank you guys for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.